Hi everyone, I'm Nadia.
And I'm Zayan. Welcome to Confident English Daily. Today we're going to talk about something we all do every day, our daily routine.
Yes, Zayan. Describing your daily routine in English is very useful for conversations, interviews, or even making friends. Let's start with the morning. How does your morning usually begin?
I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water to hydrate my body. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and do some light stretching. It helps me feel fresh and energetic.
That sounds healthy. My mornings are a bit different. I wake up at 7 a.m. I like to stretch in bed for a few minutes before getting up. After that, I brush my teeth and have a light breakfast like oatmeal or eggs with toast.
Breakfast is really important. I usually have a smoothie or some toast. After eating, I check my to-do list and emails so I feel organized for the day.
Exactly. I also review my schedule. It makes me feel more in control. Now, let's talk about the afternoon. How do you spend your afternoons?
Afternoons are usually my busiest time. I have meetings or focus on my main tasks. I try to take short breaks to stretch or walk around so I don't get tired. After lunch, I like to eat something light like a salad so I don't feel sluggish.
I do the same. I avoid heavy food in the afternoon. I stay focused on my work and try to finish important tasks while my energy is still high. Taking small breaks really helps me recharge.
Yes, breaks are essential.
In the evening, I like to unwind. I usually have a simple dinner around 7:30 p.m., then take a short walk or listen to music. Before bed, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and read a book for a while. I try to sleep by 10:30 p.m.
That's very balanced. My evenings are similar. After dinner, I relax by listening to podcasts or doing light exercise. I avoid screens before bed because it helps me sleep better. A consistent bedtime makes a big difference the next day.
Absolutely. Having a good daily routine helps us feel more balanced and productive.
Yes, even small habits can make our days much better. So, friends, try to describe your own daily routine using these natural expressions.
Exactly. Start simple and practice every day. You'll sound much more natural and confident